Welcome back, Rainbow Learners! Today we will be decorating this white pumpkin with some colorful crayons. Let's get started! First, we're going to start off with the white pumpkin. You're going to need a hot glue gun for this, so make sure you have an adult, and a hair dryer, and lots of crayons. Alright girls, which crayon first?
Let's start with orange. Orange.
Okay, next color.
Now green. Green.
Next color.
Black. Black.
Interesting choice of color.
Black. Very dark color. The most darkest color ever. Okay.
Next color.
Okay. Blue now. It looks like there's rockets coming off its back.
Uh-oh.
Look! You can see that the glue on the top is turning the color that is on the crayon. Orange. 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 Yellow time. Yellow time.
That one's having a little harder time sticking on.
Okay. Orange again. Orange again.
Okay, next color.
Yellow.
All right, yellow.
Yellow.
I'm to use the hair dryer to melt the crayons. Wow, that looks beautiful! If you get to try this at home, be sure to send me a picture. Thanks for watching! Please remember to subscribe.